Okay, here we go. This will be the next part. We're gonna get this pipe all cleaned up. We're gonna start with pressuring it up with some air. We're gonna get the MAP gas out, try and pound out some of these dents, get that all cleaned up, and then we'll start buffing it down, getting rid of all the orange rust you see on it, and try and re-blue these welds to get it looking like that factory pipe again. Got the Amazon special 2-stroke pipe dent remover kit. So we're gonna try and get this thing hooked up onto the pipe. It didn't really show me any instructions, but it seems pretty self-explanatory, so let's get to it. I was watching or reading somewhere that you should use MAP gas instead of this stuff to try and get the pipe nice and red hot. So I'm going to switch this bottle over, get this thing pumped up, and I'm going to start with 40 psi. I think 60 is kind of the borderline danger zone. So fill it up to 40, see what happens. All right, 40 psi. Always make sure you're wearing your handy dandy safety specs. The uglier the better. All right, so here we go. I got this little, it's like a rust stripping wheel. It's pretty coarse, so you know, it should work for that really thick rust on the pipe here, but it might be a little too coarse. We'll see. I'm just gonna play with it. Worst case scenario, I gotta get a finer buffing wheel. I found some stuff similar to what the Prime MX wheels are at the local hardware store, so I might end up making a run and going for those, but we're gonna try it out with this and see where we get, so stick around. Starting to look good, a little less orange. Gotta do the inside still. But it keeps jumping around on me, so I gotta get this thing clamped down. Shine it up pretty good. A little more to go. tricky getting in here, but we'll figure it out. Just gonna give my table a bit of a wipe down here. The pipe a bit of a wipe. It's actually working a lot better than I thought it would. Wasn't sure if that would get rid of those deep buff marks from that wheel. Don't get any ideas, guys. This is for the ladies watching. Pretty happy with that. That's where that big dent was under my pipe card, so that looks pretty good. Couple little dingers in her. I was gonna get the torch out and see if I can get some of the bluing back in all these welds. Not sure if I like how that's turning out, but we'll keep going. This torch tip was a little too fat for doing like the fine bluing along the welds. And instead of buying a torch, we're going to the next step. We're bluing the whole thing. I'm just going to show you guys why I decided to keep bluing here. I'm just going to try and blue this weld here just so you can see how fat it looks. It's just like way fatter than it normally would be when you buy the pipe new. So I don't like how that looks. We're going to keep going. Yikes, I'm melting my table. Whoopsies. All right guys, here it is. Got the pipe all done. Super happy with how this turned out. I ended up going a different route than I originally planned, but you know what? Things don't always go to plan, but it ends up working out for the better in the end. Got the whole thing all blued. Looks super sick. Didn't blow myself up today. Got close once, but if you like what you saw, don't forget to hit subscribe, like the video, let me know in the comments. Is this the right way to go? I don't know. I'm super stoked. That wraps up for today, so we'll see you on the next one.